My blissful, gorgeous self, God is like a breeze you can only experience. God is like water you can see also. God is like ice you can touch also. Just like breeze, water and ice are made out of one thing, hydrogen and oxygen, H2O. The same way, in all these three cases, God is made out of the very stuff which is called consciousness, the external periphery of which is Satchidanandam, that is bliss, beauty, love. External periphery of bliss is a constant cheerfulness, an inner peace which is the fundamental characteristic of a perfect psychological health. External periphery of this is a pleasant weightlessness, burdenlessness, and a relaxed state of physical structure. And this is a formula of living normal life or perfect life. George Gurdjieff says, average human beings have no soul because most of them are just bodies. They cannot think anything beyond their body. They have no conscious experience of soul. And even if soul exists, it does not exist for those who have not discovered it for themselves. Because a truth is a lie which is not found out. Truth which is not explored directly, not experienced and lived in daily life is just a mythology. The truth, even if it is a truth of God, even if it is truth of Buddha or Christ or anybody in the world, if it does not work in your life, if it did not prove to be a solution to your problems of life, then that is an illusion. And if you persist on its being truth, then it will prove to be an opium or drug for you. Then Karl Marx, who said religion is an opium religion, that's right, as far as you are concerned, okay? Not for all, it is for you, because you are concerned only to that much. Whatever solves your problem, whatever gives peace to you is truth for you. That is God for you. When you become problemless, you become burdenless on the level of your body. When you become burdenless, you become weightless. And then for the first time you feel the freedom. Freedom on the level of body. This is the criteria of health. Pulling and pushing and pinching a body through physical disorders is what we call disease. Dis-ease. No ease, that is disease. And to whom it occupies is a patient. For such patients, the talk of freedom, liberation, God, absolute reality, religion, dharma, no matter how nice and scientific they sound, all are just fake. And if you follow, you are a hypocrite. Just bundle of beliefs you have, dogmas you have, doctrine you have, you are all doctrinated. Conceptions and hypotheses, there is all you have. The only truth for such person is formulas of perfect health. First, freedom on the level of body, then freedom on the level of mind, then more superior levels of freedom spontaneously flow. And you become acquainted with superior phase of truth. Thus, my dear friends, the perfect health you can experience in absolute relaxation, absolute restfulness, and restful alertness within you, a consciousness which is all embracing within you is the only truth for the majority of today's world population, my dear friends. And the moment you recognize this fact, you get out of illusion, and into the same extent, the absolute reality is revealed. It shines, it dazzles, it illuminates, and in that illumination, your life is dissolved. Or you can say that enlightenment is dissolved in your life, and you become happy, peaceful, perfectly healthy. Thank you very much, my dear friends.